Welcome to Things You Should Know About Refrigeration Troubleshooting. Imagine opening your fridge only to find it's not cooling or hearing strange noises. These are common issues many homeowners face. But before calling for help, let's explore some basic troubleshooting steps that could save you time and money. Start by checking if your fridge is properly plugged in and the thermostat is set correctly. Often, a simple adjustment can solve the problem. Next, inspect the door seals. A loose seal can let cold air escape, causing cooling issues. Remember to clean the condenser coils regularly. Dust buildup can hinder their efficiency. If you notice water leaks, it might be a clogged drain line. Clear it out to prevent further damage. Avoid overloading your refrigerator, as this strains the components and reduces efficiency. However, some problems, like persistent noises or excessive frost, might require professional intervention. For advanced repairs, don't hesitate to contact Sardis Appliance Repair Chilliwack. Our experts are ready to assist you with any refrigeration issues. Keep your fridge in top shape with regular maintenance like cleaning coils and checking gaskets. Thank you for watching, and remember, a little knowledge goes a long way in keeping your appliances running smoothly.